G'day adventurers, before we jump into part 2 of our Moreton Island trip, here's a recap of part 1.
I'm convinced we're going to be fine. An SOS, save our souls. Here we go, girls. Ready to roll. Skye's first time. Full diving. Morning, day 3? Is it 3?
Yeah, I think so.
I've lost track.
We're on island.
Skye's here and she's delivered the goods for us. Actual coffee off the barge. We needed it today.
Yeah.
Today's a big day. We're going to go head up north of the island. North of the island, around to the east side and down through Middle Tracks. Skye's never been up there.
No.
I've never done it. Have you done it?
No, I've never.
Okay, it's a new day for us. We've got the roof up. Here we go, girls.
Ready to roll.
This is pretty cool. We parked the car up because the tide's up. We can't get up further north, so we're just gonna have a pretty cruisy morning. Check out these war bunkers. Pretty cool. Unfortunately. Are you going to jump in?
Oh yeah.
It's really not that cold. Woo! Get the shot! Oh guys! What a little fine Honeymoon Bay is. It is a little tropical island paradise over here on Moreton Island. Highly suggest if you're over this side to come check it out. Next stop, I think we're going to head over this hill and we're just going to go check out the Cape Morton lighthouse. Skye's first time, full driving.
40 Ks.
Woo! Good job, girl.
When
Moreton Island. Cannot complain with the weather today. Gonna watch the sunset, have a snooze and get ready for another big day tomorrow. So we did the big pack up today, rooftops down, all set up. We're catching the barge at 2:30. So a little bit sad to leave.
I know.
But we've got a couple more activities before we leave. So this morning we're going to head up to the desert track, see how that looks, maybe have a little sandboard depending if it's too hot or not. And then we're going to head to the wrecks and just have a little snorkel around, a little relax, and jump on the boat.
No, don't want to leave, don't want to leave. Amy's on, Amy's. Oh, yes! Oh, yeah, slow and steady wins the race. That's good. That's good, that's great! Woo! That's it, that's it, that's it! Yeah.
What do you think about this? Good! My technique has definitely improved.
Yeah, it really sounds like it.
So close. I think the hardest part is to walk back up. I'm buggered. This is my workout for the month. Woo.
What a spot. I reckon it's time to jump in there for a swim. Moreton Island is only 40 k's offshore from Brisbane. The island can be reached by ferry, barge or private boats. These services run daily, so you can reach the Tangalooma wrecks even just for a day trip. Tangalooma wrecks are one of Australia's best snorkelling locations, set amongst the dramatic shipwrecks. The wrecks are home to a large variety of different species of reef fish, coral formations and marine life. Told you, this car is glamping on wheels. A freshwater shower after a swim. How much better can it get?
Well, unfortunately, that's our time up on Moreton Island. It's been an absolute ball of fun over here. 100% coming back.
Oh, 100%, 110%.
We love checking out up north yesterday, and the wrecks, you can't go past the wrecks. We've been here twice, 2 days.
So nice.
How'd you girls find driving the Jeep?
Oh, a dream. Beautiful.
Very light. Yeah, they said that it was very light, considering how big and heavy it is. It's not as scary as it looks, hey?
No, not at all.
So we highly recommend grabbing a couple of friends, coming over to Moreton Island and checking out all the fun you can have. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, subscribe to the channel so we can bring you more adventures like this. I've also added the links to the MyCat barge and all the campgrounds over here, as it's different to normal national parks in Queensland. So until next time, get adventuring and we'll see you out